about you and it's getting me so jaded. It's fucking unbelievable, I get so faded, but I keep on going like I'm in it still. I get so jealous.
Hey guys, it's Kevin here from K2S Outdoor Channel. Now, first of all, I'm gonna have to say sorry for all these banging noises that you're probably gonna hear on this video. There's a construction going on right in the back, so there's really not much I can do to avoid this noise. Now, today we're doing something a little bit different than what we typically do on this channel. So, a few of you that have seen my videos have seen that I've done a lot of highlight trips videos for basically all the snowboarding trips and the scuba diving trips that I've been doing in the past 2 years. Now, I've been getting a lot of questions about the trip itself and the equipment that I'm using. So I've decided that from now on I'm going to be producing a weekly video, and they're going to be on 3 different topics. So I'm going to be doing trip reviews for all the trips that I've been on in the past 2 years. I'm going to give these trips a rating of 1 to 5 star. How easy it is to travel to these locations to enjoy these outdoor adventures, the kind of conditions and the season you should be expected to go, and then the experience of the trip itself. And the last thing I'm going to be talking about these reviews is going to be talking about the pricing. So what kind of value are you getting for the money, and is it worth it? And I'm going to tell you straight up right now that these trips that I've been doing are widely different in how much they cost to go. On some trips, they can be as low as $200, $300 on a weekend trip, and for some of them they could be as high as $6,000 to $7,000. And the other thing I'm going to be talking about is going to be the reviews of my equipment and what I use to take on different trips. Where I'm shooting right now is the deck to my house, but right next to here is my equipment studio. So over the course of the past 2 years, I've accumulated pretty much multiple sets of equipment, both for snowboarding and scuba diving. And that's because these sets of equipment are good for different things. And I believe to be able to successfully really take the most out and make the most out of this trip, you're going to need to have multiple sets of equipment in order to have different setups for different conditions and to be setting up to do just the right thing at the right time. So when I talk about things like snowboarding, I'll be asking people, when you go to Niseko, are you bringing your powder board or just a regular board? So depending also on how high you want to go on the mountain, both things don't work well at different levels, so it's going to be critical to assess what equipments you have. And then for scuba diving, right? Different water temperatures, different water currents, and how do you want to look when you go under the water, all critical aspects of why we need to be looking at equipments. So for these equipments videos, we're going to be reviewing all the equipments that I have. And we're going to be giving them a rating of 1 to 5 stars, how good I think they actually are, their actual performance, where you can get them, and the value you get for the money. And the last thing I'm going to be doing is, as you've seen, I've been doing quite a lot of video shootings, and with that comes also a lot of shooting gears. So I have here in my studio my Mavic Air, my DSLR, my GoPro, my tripods, my cameras, my editing equipments. So kind of a lot of stuff here when it comes to shooting gears also. So I'm going to be giving them all a review video, and I'm going to be sharing what kind of setup I have, how much they cost, how they perform, the value for money, where you can get them, and if I would recommend them to other people. So I'm going to be producing my first vlog on a trip review next week. And if you like these kind of contents or are excited to see more of these contents, click like and subscribe. And if you don't like them, just let me know in the comment why. And thank you for checking out this video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one.